Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, and a very warm and healthy good morning to all of you. I welcome you back to the class, in the class of computer. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine and I hope you are doing great. So let's begin today's class. But before that, let's discuss what we have covered up till now. We have completed our 3 of the chapters: story of computer, classification of computer, and working of computer. Now we are going to proceed. We are going to learn a new chapter. What is this? Let's get started. The chapter which we are going to start is information technology. The information technology is going to be our 4th chapter of our syllabus, and it is on page number 12 of your book. It is on page number 12 of your computer book, and the name of the chapter is Information Technology. Information technology is the word which is composed of 2 different words, information and technology. Information can be any knowledge, okay, and technology means use of that information by some of the devices, some of the technologies. Why these 2 words are together and how it works? So we are going to start our chapter. In this chapter, here are some of the things which we are going to learn. That includes computers and offices, as computers are electronic device and it is widely used throughout the world, from a student life to the teacher life and from the homes to the offices. So computers in offices, why they are used in offices and how they work in offices. Apart from this, we will learn about internet. Internet is the word everybody knows about the internet, and nowadays everyone uses internet in the mobile phones as well as in the computer. Apart from this, computers and telephones. Now computers are the electronic device and we have learned good enough about it. But telephones, we know what are the telephones, but why we are discussing telephones here? What is the connection between computers and telephones? We will learn. Okay, apart from this, banks. It means we will see how information technology is working in the banks. And smart card. You must have heard this word, smart card. What is it and why it is used and how it is used? We will learn. And the last thing is credit card. Everybody knows about the credit card. Why this is named as credit card and what does it do and how do we use it? We will learn in this chapter. So if we talk about today's class, in today's class we are going to learn about computers in offices, internet, and computers and telephones. Rest of 3 components of this chapter will be discussed in the next class. So let's begin the very first thing, computers in offices. Before knowing about information technology, let's discuss the technology. Actually, technology refers to the use of tools, machines, materials, techniques, and sources of power to make the work easier and more productive. You know that science is concerned with understanding how and why things happen, and technology is the thing which deals with making things happen. And here we are concerned with information technology. According to our book, the easiest definition is in front of you. The use of computer for transmitting information from one place to another. The use of computer for transmitting information or knowledge or data from one place to another correctly, quickly, and easily. Okay, It means the use of computer for transmitting data. The data or information that has been transmitted, that would be correct, that would be it would be sent quickly and easily. This is how the information technology works. There is an abbreviation of information technology, and that is IT. That indicates information technology. So the information technology is the use of any computer, any storage device, any networking, and any other physical device to create, process, store, secure, and exchange all the forms of electronic data. Here comes computers in offices. Computers are playing a very important role in business and in offices. They are used for payroll processing, personal record keeping, letters and report writing, message distribution, and accounting. And you can say that in the present era where computer is really necessary everywhere, offices are using the computers, and other business and computers are used in all the business. Okay, so many of the tasks can be done by computer. For example, a manager can see what salesmen are doing and what problems are arising, and they can act rapidly. Okay, so all the information is in computer. Either it is personal record, or it is used to make any document, any letter, any report writing. Message distribution can be done. You must have heard the word email, electronic mail. This is how we can transmit the information from one place to another. All the officers are working here in the background with the computers. They are handling number of the tasks at a time by the computers. So we can say that offices or the work of office is incomplete without computer, as all the works are done with the help of computer. Okay, so many of the tasks can be done by this way. Now here comes internet. Internet can be considered as one of the latest invention done by human being that has changed the style of working and living. It has almost reduced the distance and has broken all the man-made barriers and brought whole world at our fingertips, as you can see. It has brought information at our doorsteps, and by the clicking of one button, we can enter into the world of information. All we need is a computer or a laptop and medium of internet like Wi-Fi or data package. Today internet has become so common that it is readily available in whole world. So according to your book, internet is a network of computer, as you can see in the background, and in internet computers are linked through cables and telephones all over the world. And internet can be used for sending and receiving emails, it means electronic mails, chatting with people, shopping, finding information on any topic. Nowadays we don't need even laptop or computer. With the entry of just smartphones or 3G and as well as 4G technology, internet access has become easier and faster for us, as internet is a global network which connects lots of computers across the world. Internet is sometimes also called as the net or the World Wide Web, www. You must have seen in all the website, in the beginning it is written www, that is indicating World Wide Web. That is the biggest platform for informative resources. Internet was started in United States, and now it is spread all over the world. Now we are about to learn computers and telephones. Computers are electronic devices that accept data as an input, process the data and produce output, and stores the result in internal memory. If we talk about telephone is a telecommunications device that permits two or more users to conduct a conversation when they are too far apart to be heard directly. As we have learnt about internet is known as a network of networks which is connected via satellite, telephone lines and optical fiber cables. So this is how the computers and telephones are connected with one another, and this is how the information technology is used. As we know that internet helps to collect information from the storage space of the servers which are called websites. Here are the computers and telephones. We must know that how they are linked with each other. Computers are linked with telephones through a device called modem. This is very important for you. Computers are linked with the telephone through a device called modem, and this modem is indicating two words. One is modulator, another is demodulator. What are these basically? A modem or modulator and demodulator is a device or a program that enables a computer to transmit data over, for example, telephones or cable lines. For Wi-Fi connection, you must have seen a kind of device at your home like this, which can send the analog signals. These are connected with cables and it provides you the signals of internet with which your devices work. If we want to know more about the modem, so the modem receives analog signals of telephones and convert them into binary codes or computer signals. Binary codes you will learn in next chapter in detail, so we are not going to discuss it in detail now. An analog signal is any continuous signal for which the time varying feature variable of a signal is representation of some other time varying quantity. This paragraph might be confusing you. Just see that analog signal can be any signal, okay, that is caught by our modem. Two or more computers can be linked in this way so that they can share or interchange information. This is how all the computers can be linked with one another. This is the basis of internet. It cannot be done without internet. Without internet, our laptop or mobile phones are only able to do some of the common features. But if we want to talk about information technology, that involves the transmitting of data from one place to another through some of the technological devices, so that would require internet, and this is how we can do or transmit our data from one place to another. So the biggest advantage of internet is that it opens the world of information with a click of a button only. So it is very important to know about computer, and half of our chapter is covered up till here. So rest of the part will be taught in your next class. So thank you so much students. What you have to do, you have to read your chapter very properly. You are going to underline, you are going to highlight the important points, and you are going to do the written assignment you will do your work in only the copy which is mentioned in your assignment. In the instruction column of your assignment, it is clearly written there that in which copy you have to do the work, and you are supposed to do the work accordingly. Do your work with neat and clean writing and tidy writing. I hope you have got all of the things. This chapter is very easy, but few of the technical things are there, like in modem, that is quite new for you. so you can read it out and you can search it for more and more information. Okay, so inshallah we shall meet in the next class. Thank you so much. Take care.